5 tips for avoiding overdrafting and fees. As if college isn't expensive enough, the financial phrase that strikes terror into the heart of any student is overdraft fees. According to a Bankrate survey, the cost of overdrawing your checking account hit a new record high in 2020, increasing to an average of $33.47. With the average of $33 overdraft fee, just 3 overdrafts can equal almost $100 in fees. Yikes. Before we give you the scoop on how to manage your bank account, let's get clear on what exactly an overdraft fee is and how it works. Overdraft fees are charged when you don't have enough money in your account to cover a payment or a purchase you've made. As a part of an overdraft protection service, the bank or credit union covers the difference for you. If you've overdrawn on your account, don't stress. Here are some steps you can take to solve the situation and prevent it from happening in the future. Step number 1, monitor your account balance regularly. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, most overdraft fees from debit cards tend to happen with transactions of $24 or less. To make sure your balances aren't too low, try checking your account weekly or even more frequently. Step number 2, set up balance alerts. Find out whether your bank or credit union lets you set up alerts that notify you when your account goes below a certain amount or when you make a big purchase. While you're there, it's also a good idea to sign up for daily account balance reminders so you're never in the dark about how much you have. Step number 3, deposit or transfer money ASAP after an overdraft occurs. When you know that a low balance plus a new charge just triggered an overdraft, you might still be able to prevent the fee. Check if your bank account has a daily cutoff time or deadline for adding money to an account to correct a negative balance in the same day. In a situation like this, the new alerts you set up will come in handy. Even if you miss the cutoff, transferring money into your account can help prevent future fees. If you really want to make sure you're in the clear with an overdraft fee, call and let the customer service at your bank know you'll be transferring money and can make the payment ASAP. Leaving your balance negative for multiple days can lead to an extended overdraft fee, and we do not want that. Step number 4, opt out of overdraft protection. Overdraft protection can seem a bit misleading. Essentially, the protection is the assurance that if you pay for something, your purchase will go through even if the money isn't there. However, no one is actually protecting you from the overdraft fees. Step number 5, link to another bank account. Some banks allow you to link your checking account to a savings or credit account that helps you cover transactions if you don't have enough money. Keep in mind there is usually a transfer fee, but it will wind up being cheaper than the overdraft coverage fees. To briefly recap, be proactive and manage your debit card amount by number 1, monitoring your account balance regularly, number 2, setting up balance alerts, number 3, depositing or transferring money ASAP after an overdraft occurs, number 4, opting out of overdraft protection, and number 5, linking to another bank account. This will take you one step closer to mastering your finances.